Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11,10 cannot rename folders. First method is Open File Explorer. Right-click Problematic Folder, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Edit, Full Rights to Authenticated Users. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Third method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Fourth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.